we see this loot box, and Pritchard says some temperatures, and I think that means that in the future, we're still using Fahrenheit.
Haven's 260 degrees on the sun side, negative 180 on the other. As the moon moves over the surface, temperature in the Umber drops to a cool 55. Haven.
Okay, so this planet's super hot, but then it's only in the sunlight, and he says three numbers. Can we look a little bit to the left? He says 260 degrees, minus 180, and 55. And so my question is this Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin?
So I mean, first off, can't be Kelvin because there's the minus there. There's no minuses in Kelvin.
The coldest the Kelvin gets is 0.
Yeah.
So could it be Celsius? Could it be Fahrenheit? I don't know. Sometimes they're close enough I can't tell. So my guess was if they're Celsius, then I converted them into Fahrenheit and see. My question is, are these reasonable? Can I tell? Can I tell what scale they are? So 260 in Celsius becomes 500 Fahrenheit, which is like a hot oven. So I don't know. Maybe that's a kind of reasonable scale. A negative 180 Celsius to becomes negative 292. I have no idea. I've never experienced negative 292. So
that's close to absolute zero. That's a few degrees away. Oh, wait, no, it's not.
Really?
It would be minus 273 Celsius to be near absolute zero. Minus 290. Yeah. So we're halfway there from. Okay.
I guess
It's
cold.
It's cold.
I guess my point is, I don't know. That's not a good number for me to reference. And then the last number he says is 55 degrees. And then that turns out to be 131 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot outside. And I thought too hot. But then I looked up the hottest temperature on recorded on Earth, and it's around 130, like 135 or something like this in Death Valley in California. This deep desert where it gets super hot. So maybe, although super hot is kind of iffy. And so then I said, if it's not Celsius, maybe what he's saying when he says degrees was actually Fahrenheit. So 260 degrees Fahrenheit is 127 Celsius, which is still like, hot oven, hot, so kind of reasonable. And then again, with these negative numbers, I don't know what it's like to be in a negative environment, that negative. I've been to like a little bit negative, but not that negative. But then 55 Fahrenheit is just 13C, and yeah, that's pretty cool temperature. So yeah, I think that means that Pritchard is talking in Fahrenheit in the future.
So weird. Yeah, it's weird. That's Fahrenheit.
No,
Fahrenheit meant.
That means
America,
it doesn't
baby.
go away. America spreads out.
12,000 years in the future? Hell yeah.
Still using Fahrenheit, baby.
Yeah, that's right. Hell yeah. I think that's right.